Hey guys, Ava here, and we are back. Oh, drift the mic. We are back playing Animal Jam. Yes, we are once again playing. It's a really cute game. I haven't played since last video. I haven't had much time, get ready for Halloween and everything. But yeah. Not much is going on. I'll have some videos up later for Halloween and everything. But happy Halloween if today's Halloween, or happy late Halloween, or happy early Halloween. I don't know. Wherever you're from. And yeah, we're just waiting to get back into the game. And stuff. Oh, I'm confused. Where am I? Oh, I'm in some weird, strange area. But monkeys don't belong here. Ooh, water. Anyways, let's see if there's any parties. Ooh, spooky parties. Spooky. Like all in sticks and oh, nice. I am not ready for this party. I am actually not ready for this party. I have to get dressed up like everyone else in their spooky costumes. This is crazy. I must leave to go get my costume. And yep, I think that's the button. Hey, Lils. Okay. Jam-a-town. Nope, I want to go to Jam-a-town. Jam clothing. Because I need to look good for this Halloween party. I can't just go to a Halloween party and I really don't know. I can't just go to a Halloween party and not dress up. I need a nice costume, except it can't be too crazy. Not too crazy at all. I like the poodle skirt. A lot. It's such a nice skirt. I have a good idea. Create an account. I did create an account. Hold up, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Or I am. I die. Hold up. I think you can, use this thing. Wrong button. I think it's when you go. It's something about clothing. Why do I not remember? Oh yes, I forgot. I can sell things. So, take that off. Take that off. So, recycle. Ooh, I can have enough. Yes. Yes, I can look good to this party. Guys, I think I have enough coins. Yes. Could buy the nice, pretty poodle skirt. And we got to buy the bonnet. This is so awesome. I really am happy. I need to look good to a Halloween party. And the poodle skirt is just the way to go. Because I don't know, I love poodles. What do you think would fit the personality? I think something nice like this pink. Oh, nice. But I really like that color. Kind of person am I? let's see how I look. So, purple, blue, and teal. I think pink would be a pretty nice color, if you ask me. And yeah, I just might. Oh, strong one. Yeah! Let's put on this nice little skirt. Let's go to those parties and stuff. Let's be invited to something fun. Save your outfits. Okay, I know how this works. Oh, how cute! Well, I'm looking nice. Guys, I'm looking amazing for this party. And I think wearing this, I'll be so nice. So nice looking. Oh, yeah. Dang it just ended. Well, useless. Practically useless. Absolutely useless. Ooh, it looks like 3,000 teeth and 4 noses. Who'd know? Who'd even know? Furniture. Nice. Wait, I could sell some stuff. Sell some of the old furniture I have. Oops, I accidentally touched the mic. Oh, we can just do it from here? That is a really nice skirt. How would you sell? Just wanted to know. How much would it sell for? Oh, not much at all. Guys, I really like it. Except, oh, weird. I felt weird for a second. And I clicked on something else. Oh, I can sell all this good, not good. Hold up. Sorry about that. My family are being very loud. What should I like? Cycle. Yes. Let's see. How much money do I have? 920. Oh, hello, happy cute wolf. You want to be my friend? No, you don't. Yeah. Who would want to be friends with a beginner? Who would ever want to be friends with a beginner? Blah. Okay. Well, that's sad. I don't need you. Pfft. That was rude. Probably should have said something so rude. I'm sorry. Oh, funny. Ooh, guys. Count it. Octopus chair. Oh, Starry Jim and Night painting. I used to like have one. Actually made one of those in art class when I was younger. They're actually, they're really cool. If you do not know, a tablet. I must get me this tablet you talk about. I must actually get that tablet. Oh, hell yes. Tip of my furniture. Oh, all these rugs. Seriously, a tablet? I'll probably have to go on off screen and get some of this stuff. You see how close I have to getting that That laptop. That tablet. Does it do anything? You could get it in different colors. Oh my gosh. I'm getting the pink one. That is so awesome. I never knew you could actually get electronics. But I think they're kind of useless. Ooh, pets. A new pet? Since when? Since when? Wait, some ants make themselves explode when they attack? Creepy. I think next episode we're going to go on an adventure. But look at all these pets. Oh, how cute. Except, kitties! How did you know cat's my favorite animal? Oh, that's so cute. You can get things for your pets stuff. Except I'd obviously get a kitty. No doubt in my mind. And they're all here in this amazing home where they could be with me. Like, who would want to be there? But seriously, I want a pet so bad. Well, I'll have to get up that money. Oh, that money. Lots and lots of money. Ooh. Scary. Ghost. Ooh, maps. Wait. Let's see what this is. Probably nothing much. Ooh. Ooh, treasure hunts. Let's do it. Treasure. I love treasure. And close my eyes. Ooh. Oh, nice. I'm scared. Okay. Oh, nice. I'm not gonna close my eyes anymore. I want to know what happens. I don't care. Oh! Oh! Ooh, wait. Rare Monday. Ah, that's so cool. Yeah, I didn't do it. But at least I got money. Let's go on this one. I need to get something cool. And randomize it. Well, that wasn't much. Yeah, but all these are for different animals. Oh, look at all the cool stuff. Vine bracelets, paw headband, raccoon tail hat, lions, statues, a striped scarf. And monkeys just aren't very special, are they? Well, that's okay because monkeys are really cute. I wonder how much money we have. Money. They're called gems, Ava. Money. Gems. There's a difference. Oh, 1,905. Ooh. So many ideas. Well, guys, we might have something exciting in the next episode. But that's the end of this episode of Animal Jam. I hope you kittens enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Love you. Bye.